These load securing information videos have been developed to help raise awareness of the need to adopt safe load securing practice. Our aim is to improve transport safety and compliance with the relevant load securing laws and standards. These information videos provide clear, practical information on how to achieve safe load securing practices in the workplace. The information is aimed at anyone who transports loads in any type of vehicle for work purposes. These videos will outline the main considerations for safe load securing, and they will help you understand and implement good load securing practice. The term load means any objects, tools, equipment, goods or cargo. Load securing is a term used to cover load restraint and load containment. Load restraint means preventing the movement of the load in any direction in relation to the vehicle load platform. Load containment means preventing goods falling from the vehicle. Any load on or in a vehicle that is not secured to the load bed will tend to move every time a vehicle changes speed or direction. Loads can shift even at low speeds. The weight of the load cannot be relied upon to hold a load in place. Therefore, loads must be secured so that they are unlikely to shift, fall, be dislodged or blown from the vehicle, both during the journey and when the vehicle is being unloaded. Inadequate load securing poses many potential dangers. Unsafe loads have cost millions of euro in damaged goods, damaged vehicles, damaged reputation and lost work time. People are injured due to accidents that happen during loading, unloading and load shifting. It makes sense that proper load securing should be seen as a high priority for everyone who moves goods of any description. Harm to people, to goods and vehicles can be prevented by following safe systems of work that result in properly stowed, contained and restrained loads. A safe system of load securing will involve the following: suitable vehicle, suitable means of containment, suitable load configuration and suitable load restraint. Participants in the transport chain need to have clear, planned procedures for loading, unloading, load containment and securing. Safe load securing begins and ends in the workplace. Load securing is covered specifically by road traffic legislation, which requires that loads carried by vehicles are properly secured at all times so that no danger is liable to be caused. It is an offence for a vehicle to be overloaded or to discharge material onto a public road. Occupational health and safety legislation is also applicable. The law states that employers must make sure that systems of work are planned, performed and monitored for securing and transporting loads. Responsibilities for load securing risk management need to be clearly defined at work. Load securing is not the sole responsibility of the vehicle driver. Everyone involved from planning the load through to final unloading has a role to play in making sure the loads are loaded, unloaded, secured and transported safely. The law also requires that employers cooperate, so where several parties are involved in ensuring the safe transport of a load, there should be adequate coordination and cooperation between the parties and clear responsibilities laid down. On the road, the driver is responsible for the load, so the driver should know how the vehicle has been loaded and how the load is secured. It is important that you know and understand your legal duties and responsibilities and apply safe load securing practices for all loads transported. Everyone involved in the transportation of loads across national borders need to comply with the relevant EU laws and standards that apply to load securing across the European Union. Every organisation is required by law to protect people's safety, health and welfare at work, and it also makes good business sense to do so. For further information, log on to www.loadsafe.ie.